Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2025 Hyundai Tucson Preferred. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 2.5-liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get your backup camera, roof spoiler, with roof rails as well. We got some silver and black trim along this vehicle with blind spot detection, turn light indicated mirrors. We do get a remote start on this vehicle, which is perfect for the cold winter months, license plate bracket, and that nice Hyundai grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see we do get quite a bit of cargo space, which is always pretty handy. You can collapse your last row by just pulling on these. On the other side, you got a light back here, 12 volt, pretty nice, plenty of hooks and doodads, and you do get plenty of more storage underneath with the tire mobility kit. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does heat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back, adjustable seats, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, and of course you do get, come on girl, cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see this vehicle does have a power driver seat. We got the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of more door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, and locks, lights, parking brake, traction, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 44,128 kilometers. Got this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, paddle shifters, cruise control, toggle for your screen, lane centering, mode, voice, volume, mute, fave app, phone, all that jazz. And we're going for our different things. Trip, lane centering, different apps, power distribution, tire pressure, all that jazz. And to my right, we get tons of storage. You got cup holders, more storage underneath, drivetrain, which is snow, mud, and sand. Drive modes, which is normal, sport, and my drive, which is custom. Auto hold, auto stop, auto start, hill, and your backup camera. We got tons of storage underneath as well with a bunch of outlets. Dual climate up front, all touchscreen if I may add, which is pretty handy. Heated front seats, heated steering wheel. You got your home screen for your main infotainment system, storage above, below, SOS services just above your head. And look at here, we got our home screen. We have our audio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM. Pretty handy. You got a map here for your navigation. If you connect your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, media, hazards, seek track, all that jazz, which is always pretty handy. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8284, and you can head on to PG Ford or give us a call.